Hi students, welcome to Kakatiya Junior College online classes. Welcome to Maths 2B. The running topic is circles. See here, running topic is circles. Now 19th class. See here, chord joining 2 points on a circle. Okay, now chord joining 2 points on a circle. So there is nothing but see here. There is a one circle is there. Here P of x1 comma y1. This is the point P on the circle. Here Q of x2 comma y2 are the point also on the circle. Okay, now we are finding the chord joining the 2 points on the circle. The line joining the points P and Q. This is nothing but this line passes to the 2 points on the circle. That's why this is nothing but which one, sir? Secant. Okay, now this line is nothing but which one, sir? Secant. Okay, now. So the chord joining the 2 points on the circle. Okay, now. In that case, we have formula is there. S1 plus S2 is equal to S12. S1 plus S2 is equal to S12. So here first we are writing the theorem statement. Here this is the heading. The chord joining the 2 points on a circle. Here now we are writing the theorem statement. No need of proof. Only write down. Statement is important. If P of x1 comma y1, P of x1 comma y1, Q of x2 comma y2 are 2 points on the circle, are 2 points on the circle. Okay, now are the 2 points on the circle, which is, sir? S is equal to 0. Next we are writing the equation of the secant. Next we are writing the equation of the which one, sir? Secant. The equation of the which one, sir? Secant, which one, sir? PQ. The equation of the secant, which one, sir? PQ is S1 plus S2 is equal to S12. All of read on this one, sir? Equation of the secant at which one, sir? Equation of secant which line, sir? PQ is S1 plus S2 is equal to S12. Clearly already last class we discussed this one. Notation of S1 and S2. Here S is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 be the circle equation, or this is the circle expression. Here S1 is nothing but here xx1 plus yy1 plus g of x plus x1 plus f of y plus y1 plus cm. This is the notation of which one, sir? S1 xx1 plus yy1 plus g of x plus x1 plus f of y plus y1 plus cm. And we are writing the notation of S2. Here xx2 plus yy2. Here g of x plus x2 plus f of y plus y2 plus cm. This is the notation of which one, sir? S2. Okay, now. And also I am writing S12 notation. S12, that is nothing but x1 x2 y1 y2 g of x1 plus x2 plus f of y1 plus y2 plus c. This is the notation of S12. This is the S is the circle equation. I am writing the notation of S1 xx1 plus yy1 plus g of x plus x1 plus f of y plus y1 plus c. S2 is nothing but xx2 plus yy1 yy2 plus g of x plus x2 plus f of y plus y2 plus cm. S12 x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus g of x1 x2 plus f of y1 y2 plus c. This is the notation of which one, sir? S12. Now we are writing which one, sir? Next one, equation of tangent at a point on the circle. Next heading here, equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent at a point on the circle. At a point on the circle. Now we are writing equation of the tangent equation of the tangent at a point on the circle. See here, this is the one circle, sir. And what is the center, sir? C is the center of the circle. Here equation of the tangent at a point on the circle. Here P of x1 comma y1 be the one point on. P of x1 comma y1 be the one point on the circle. Now here we are a line passing through the only one point on the circle. There is nothing but this is called the tangent. Now we are finding the equation of the tangent at the point P of x1 comma y1 to the circle s is equal to 0 is s1 is equal to 0. Here also proof is there, but no need of proof. This is nothing but sir, tangent. Okay, now this is the equation of the tangent is which one, sir? S1 is equal to 0. So here P of x1 comma y1 be the point on the circle. Okay, now P of x1 comma y1 be the point on the circle. At the point here we can draw how many tangents we can draw, sir, to the circle? We can draw infinite tangents. But we are finding equation of tangent at particular point. What is the point, sir? P of x1 comma y1. A line passes through the one point on the circle. Then the line is called which one, sir? Tangent. A line passes through the 2 points on the circle. That is nothing but secant. The equation of the secant is nothing but s1 plus s2 is equal to s12. Okay, now the equation of the tangent at the point P is nothing but s1 is equal to 0. See, this is the heading. Now here also I am writing the theorem statement. Here also no need of theorem proof form. Only write down statement. Okay, now all of you write down clearly the statements here. Okay, now. So the equation of the tangent. The equation of the tangent. The equation of the tangent at the point P of x1 comma at the point P of x1 comma y1 to the circle at the point P of x1 comma y1 to the circle. Here s is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is. It is nothing but s1 is equal to 0. Okay, na? See here, the equation of the tangent at the point P of x1 comma y1 to the circle s is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is s1 is equal to 0. Okay, now. So see here, so this is the point of P of x1 comma y1 be the point on the circle. Okay, now P of x1 comma y1 be the point on the circle. Now we are finding which one, sir? Equation of the tangent at the point P. That is nothing but s1 is equal to 0. So here also no need of proofs. Here I am writing the notation of s1. Already here is there. s1 is equal to xx1 plus yy1 plus g of x plus x1 plus f of y plus y1 plus c is equal to 0. See the equation of the tangent at the point P. All of you write on this one.
Daddy.
So see here, example. Find the equation of the tangent to the circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0 at minus 1 comma 1. See the solution. We are finding which one, sir? Equation of the tangent. Already we discussed discussed in the theorem statement. See here, see the circle is there. Okay, now there is the point is there. What is the point, sir? Here minus 1 comma 1. Now we are finding the equation of the tangent at the point which one, sir? Minus 1 comma 1. This is nothing but equation of the tangent is s1 is equal to 0. This is the tangent. Equation of the tangent at the point P is which one, sir? s1 is equal to 0. We have the formula is there. Okay, now see. So first we are writing given circle. What is the given circle? S is equal to x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. See the equation of the circle. Here, what is the point, sir? P is equal to minus 1 comma 1 be a point on the circle. Be a point on the circle. Here minus 1 comma 1 be a point on the circle. Here equation of the tangent at which one, sir? At P of minus 1 comma 1 is which one, sir? S1 is equal to 0. We have the notation S1 is equal to here xx1 plus yy1 plus g of x plus x1 plus f of y plus y1 plus c is equal to 0. See the equation of the tangent xx1 plus yy1 plus g of x plus x1 plus f of y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. This is the center of the circle. This is the s is equal to 0 is the given circle equation. Okay now xx1, this is the x square plus y square minus 6x is there. So x into x1 is equal to minus 1 plus y into y1. What is the y1 value? 1 plus g of 2g is equal to what is the minus 6 is there. G is nothing but minus 3 minus 3 into x plus x1. x1 is equal to what is the minus 1 plus f of 2f is equal to 4. F is nothing but 2 into y plus y1. y1 is equal to 1 plus c. c is equal to what is the minus 12 equal to 0. Now we are simplifying this equation. X into minus 1 minus x plus y. Here minus 3x plus 3 plus 2y plus 2 minus 12 is equal to 0 plus 2y plus 2 minus 12 is equal to 0. Here minus x minus 3x. What is the value? Minus 4x. Here y plus 2y. What is the value? 3y. Minus x minus 3x minus 4x y plus 2y. What is the value? 3y. Here next what is the 3? 3 plus 2. What is the value? 5. 5 minus 12 is equal to 0. Here minus 4x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. This is nothing but 4x minus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0 is the equation of the tangent. Is the equation of the tangent at which point, sir? Minus 1 comma 1. This is nothing but this is the equation of the tangent at the point which one, sir? Minus 1 comma 1. Okay now? All of you write on this one first. See here, next one is normal. Next we are discussing which one, sir? Normal. Okay now? Normal means the normal at any point P of the circle. Suppose here, this is the circle is there. Here the point P is there. P of x1 comma y1 be the point. This is the center. Okay now? The normal at any point P of the circle is the line which passes through P and perpendicular to the tangent at PM. So it passes through the point which one, sir? P. We are finding equation of the normal at the point P. P of x1 comma y1. So it passes through P and which is perpendicular to the tangent at the point which one, sir? Pn. So first we are writing which one, sir? This is the tangent. This is the tangent at PM. Okay now? So now we are finding which one, sir? Normal. Normal at P is nothing but this is the normal at the line passes through the center of the circle and also passes through the point P and which is perpendicular to the tangent at PM. Perpendicular to the tangent at the point which one, sir? P. Okay na? So this is perpendicular to the tangent of P of x1 comma y1. Normal at P passes through the point P of x1 comma y1 and perpendicular to the tangent at the point PM. the normal is always perpendicular to the tangent term. Okay na, that is nothing but your slope of tangent into slope of tangent into slope of normal, slope of normal, slope of tangent into slope of normal is equal to -1. Slope of tangent into slope of normal is equal to what is the value? -1. Normal and tangent. This is the tangent. This is which one, sir? Normal. Normal at the point P of x1 comma y1. Normal is always perpendicular to the tangent at the point P, and also every normal line passes through the which one, sir? Center of the circle. Always remember this one. See here, this is the center. Sir, this is the circle, this is the center. Suppose P be the any point on the circle P of x1 comma y1. So at the point P, we are drawing one perpendicular line. Must ensure that perpendicular line passes through the center of the circle. Not only P, at any point on the circle must ensure. Here also we are taking the point Q. At the point Q, we are drawing a perpendicular line. This one also passes through the center of the circle. Suppose here capital R is there. At the point capital R, we are drawing a perpendicular line. That line also passes through the which one, sir? Center of the circle. Okay now. So any point on the circle, at the point we are drawing a perpendicular line. Must ensure that perpendicular line passes through the center of the circle. That's why every normal is also passes through the center of the circle. Always remember this one. Every normal is also passes through the center of the circle, and slope of the tangent into slope of normal is equal to -1. Okay na? So see here, I am writing the definition of the normal. Okay na? See here, the normal at any point P, at any point, what is the Ram? The normal at any point P of the circle is the line which passes through which point, sir? We are drawing the normal at the point P, that's why the normal is also passes through P and perpendicular to the tangent, perpendicular to the tangent at which one, sir? P. Okay now, perpendicular to the tangent at PM. Suppose again we are writing here, this is the coordinate system, this is the x-axis, this is y-axis, this is our coordinate system. Here there is the one circle is there. Suppose we are finding the normal at the point P, we are finding. Must and should, first we are finding which one, sir? Normal at the point P. Before we are finding the normal, here we are drawing which one, sir? One tangent. This is the tangent at which one, sir? P. Okay now. So the normal passes through the point P and perpendicular to the tangent at the point which one, sir? P. So this is the P point term. Normal and tangent always both are perpendicular, and also every normal line passes through which one, sir? Center of the circle. Normal at PM. Every normal line passes through the center of the circle. Okay now. This is the tangent, this is the normal. Normal and tangent both are perpendicular to each other. Okay now. See here next one. Next we are writing the equation of the normal. So we have one small statement is there. Here next we are finding which one, sir? Equation of the normal. Okay na? See here, theorem statement write down. Write down equation of the normal. Equation of the normal. Okay na? All of you write down this theorem statement. Theorem. Okay na? See here, the equation of the normal. The equation of the normal. Okay na? At P of x1 comma y1 the equation of the normal at P of x1 comma y1 of the circle S is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is here x minus x1 into here y1 plus fm. X minus x1 into y1 plus f minus here y minus y1 into x1 plus g is equal to 0. Y minus y1 into x1 plus g is equal to 0. This is the equation of the normal at the point which one, sir? P of x1 comma y1. See here, we are writing the solution. See, this is the circulum. This is the center. What is the center of circle, sir? Center minus g comma minus f. Here this is the point PM. The point P of x1 comma y1 lies on the point, the circle, given circle. Okay, now. So see, always remember this one. Normal passes through the point P and perpendicular to the which one, sir? Tangent. This is the which one, sir? Tangent. This is the tangent at which point, sir? P. This is which one? Normal at PM. This is the tangent at P. This is which one, sir? Normal at PM. Okay, na? Tangent at P. At which point? P. This is the normal at P. Observe this one. This normal is passes through the 2 points sum. Which one? Minus g comma minus f and x1 comma y1. Okay, na? Minus g comma minus f and x1 comma y1. Every normal is passes through the center of the circle. And the normal passes through which point? At the point P we are finding that, so that point also passing. Okay, now see here, we are proving this one. First, given circle. What is the given circle, sir? S is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Here center of the circle, center is nothing but minus g comma minus f be the center of the circle. Center of circle is minus g comma minus fm. See here, we know that which one we know, sir? We know that which one we know? Every normal at a point, at any point, not only at a point, at any point passes through the center of the circle. We know that normal at any point. Okay, now normal at any point passes through. Normal at any point passes through the center of the circle. Center of the circulum. Okay, na? So that's all. First we are finding normal passes through P of x1 comma y1 and also center of the circle. Center of the circle. Center is nothing but minus g comma minus f. Here P of x1 comma y1 is there. First we are finding slope of which one, sir? CP line. What is the slope of CP, sir? Here C is equal to minus g comma minus fm. Here given point, what is the given point, sir? And also we are writing given point. That is we are taking P of x1 comma y1. Here P of what is the name here? x1 comma y1. What is the slope, sir? The difference of the y coordinates by the difference of the x coordinates. Here we are writing y1 minus of minus f is nothing but plus f by x1 minus of minus g is nothing but plus gm. Slope of CP is nothing but y1 plus f by x1 plus gm. Here equation of the normal. Equation of the normal at P of x1 comma y1 is the equation of the normal at the point x1 comma y1. We are using a point and slope form. What is the point and slope form, sir? Here y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. This formula we are using. So passes through the point x1 comma y1, and this is nothing but m is the slope of CP is nothing but we are taking m passes through which point of x1 comma y1. Here we are writing y minus y1 is equal to m is nothing but y1 plus f by x1 plus gm, y1 plus f by x1 plus g into x2 minus x1. Okay now? Now we are doing the cross multiplication. Y minus y1 into x1 plus g, y minus y1 into x1 plus g is equal to here y1 plus f into x2 minus x1. Here this is equal, we can write this total value we are taking to the right side. That is equal to y1 plus f into x2 minus x1 minus of y minus y1 into x1 plus g is equal to 0. This is equal, we can write x2 minus x1 into here y1 plus f minus of y minus y1 into x1 plus g is equal to 0. This is the equation of this one, sir. Normal at the point p of x1 comma y1. All of you know this one. Normal and tangent always both are perpendicular to the each other. Every normal passes through the center of the circle. So see here, now we are finding the equation of the normal to the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 is equal to 0 at the point which one, sir? 3 comma 2. Here this is the circle, here this is the center. Okay now, here we are taking the point 3 comma 2. So must and should the normal passes through the center of circle. This is the 3 comma 2. This is which one, sir? Tangent at the point 3 comma 2. This is the normal at the point which one? 3 comma 2. This is the tangent at the point 3 comma 2. This is the normal at the point 3 comma 2. See already by previous theorem we have directly formula is there. Okay now see the solution. A given circle. What is the given circle? S is equal to x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 is equal to 0. This one compare with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. 2g is equal to minus 4. 2f is equal to minus 6. C is equal to 11. G is equal to minus 2. F is equal to minus 3. C is equal to, what is the value? 11. Okay na? See at the point which one, sir? What is the point is given? Point P. P is equal to 3 comma 2. That is nothing but x1 comma y1. Okay na? Here we have the formula is there. Equation of the normal at x1 comma y1. Okay na? Equation of the normal at the point which one, sir? x1 comma y1. x2 minus x1 into here y1 plus f. x2 minus x1 into y1 plus f minus of y minus y1 into x1 plus g is equal to 0. x2 minus x1 into y1 plus f minus of y minus y1 into x1 plus g is equal to 0. Okay na? See here. Now we are substituting the values of x2 minus x1. This is the x1 is equal to what is the value? 3 into y1 plus f. What is the y1 value? 2 plus f is equal to minus 3. So minus of y minus y1. y1 is equal to what is there? 2 is there. Into x1 plus g. x1 is nothing but 3 plus g is equal to what is there? Minus 2 is equal to 0. 2 minus 3 minus 1. x2 minus 3 into minus 1 minus of y minus 2 into 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Okay now this value we are multiplying to the inside. Minus 1 into x is nothing but minus x plus 3 minus of what is the here? minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. 1 into y, 1 into minus 2 into minus 2. Minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. This is nothing but minus x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0 is the equation of the normal at which point, sir? P. X plus y minus 5 equal to 0 is the equation of the normal at the point which one, sir? P. Okay now. Otherwise, another process is also there. Every normal passes through the center of the circle and normal at the point 3, 2. That's why here another process is there, sir. Normal at P. Okay now. Passes through the 2 points. What is the 2 points? Center of circle and 3, what is the center of circle? Center is nothing but minus g comma minus f. There is nothing but minus g. Minus of minus 2 means plus 2. Minus of minus f means plus 3. What is the point P? P is equal to 3, 2. The equation of the line passes through the point 2, 3 and 3, 2. Here x minus x1 by x1 minus x2 is equal to y minus y1 by y1 minus y2. That process also we can do. So next class we will discuss the briefly. All of you first write on this one. Okay, next class will be continued.